To enable and use the scene describer feature of the Bixby Vision in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap spoken assistant. Tap Bixby Vision for accessibility. When this menu is still up, tap the on off switch to turn it on. And then tap the gray on off switch next to scene describer to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Now open Bixby Vision. Tap accessibility and then tap scene describer. Point your camera to a screen and then tap capture.
Analyzing scene. A black watch with a white face.
Once Bixby has done analyzing the scene, you can hear that Bixby will speak to you about the detailed description of the scene you are capturing. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.